Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can change the app name and also the app icon on your Android mobile. See here, currently I have changed the app icons, not the names, app icons for Instagram and Chrome. In this tutorial, I'll tell you how you can change both the app icon along with the name also. See, when I tap this Chrome with a different app icon, the Chrome app is just opening on the home screen. See here. For this, you need an app called X icon changer. The Chrome app I just changed with a different icon and different name. So you need to open the Play Store, and on the search bar you can search for an app called X icon changer. So this is one of the popular app to change the app icons and names. Once to install, just open this. Okay, there is app displaying. Let me clear this. I'll open from my app list X icon changer, and here it will display all the applications which are installed on your mobile. So what I'll do is, for this example, I'll be choosing any app. Maybe I'll go with this Google. Okay, I'll change the name and the icon both. Okay, just tap on this to select and click on this edit symbol and write whatever name you want. Say, just for this dummy tutorial purpose, I am giving this as wishlist. Instead of Google, the name Google, I'll be keeping it to wishlist. Okay, so yeah, and I'll be clicking on the OK at the top right corner. Okay, before that, I'll be changing the app icon also. These are the available icons. Not only this, you can also choose a camera picture. Okay, for now let me choose this icon as the Google icon, and I'll be clicking on OK. When I click on OK, there will be a video ad displayed. All that we need to do is we need to watch that video. So this is like a reward system. When you watch a video, you will get that app icon gets changed. This is one time process. Okay, so once you successfully watch that ad, okay, there will be a cross mark here at the right top corner. I just cancel and click on add this icon. Once I click on add this icon, that icon gets added. I will be dragging this and dropping anywhere on my home screen. See here, there is a wish list with a different icon rather than Google. So if I tap on that, it will open Google app. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.